In today's video, I'm going to cover exactly how I pick great dividend stocks for long-term investment. Hello stock traders, I hope all of you are having a fantastic trading day. All I ask for in return for this free content is that you hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before and you like the content of this channel, please consider subscribing and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when one of these videos comes out. My dividend strategy is simple and effective, and the overall goal is that I earn so much in dividends from my dividend stocks over the long term that I can live off of those dividend payments. Although who am I kidding, I probably will be trading stocks on my deathbed. I will most likely be using Webull for my trading. The reason why is because I can trade as early as 3 a.m. Central Time and as late as 7 p.m. Central. I also love all the scanners and tools that they have for them if you are looking for a powerful broker. We have a link in the description down below that will get you free stocks. Another great feature of Webull is that you can earn interest off your dividend stocks. Yes, you heard that right. You can earn interest. My strategy for dividend stocks is that I take the dividends from the stocks that have been paid out that month and put them into the most effective growth dividend stocks for that month at that time. I do not like to reinvest my dividends because that particular stock that paid the dividend might not be the one I want to load up on and put more money into to make dividends for the future. I usually look into 2 specific dividend stocks each and every month, and we're going to cover exactly how I do that. I choose those dividend stocks from Justin Law's Dividend Champions list. I like the Dividend Champions list because it is a list of companies that have increased their dividend for more than 25 years straight. Once I have bought a dividend stock with this dividend strategy, I hold it until the company decides that they are going to lower their dividend amount. There are some of these dividend stocks I've had from the original time I started this strategy. The 2 stocks I like to pick are the 2 stocks that at that time have the highest analyst upside. I like to choose stocks with high analyst upside because that way I know that there is growth to happen in the future on the value of the stock. All right, let me just show you what this list looks like. So here we have the Dividend Champions list, and you can find this 2 different places. One is at Seeking Alpha. You can find this and just look underneath Justin Law and you can find this list that comes out each and every month. You can see here we have the companies and the ticker symbol, and then you can see how many years it's been that they have increased their dividends. Some of these are very impressive, 61 years, so on and so forth. There are a lot of these to choose from. So what I do at the beginning of the month, once this list comes out, I go through each and every one and I'm looking for the highest average analyst upside percentage wise, and then I choose those 2 stocks out of the entire list. This video is being filmed in May of 2021, and so actually I have picked 2 stocks and I've done the work for you. I've gone through each and every one of these. The first stock I chose is right here, SJW Core, and this is utilities, and analyst upside on it is 19.75% analyst average upside. As you can see here, they have increased their dividend for 54 years, so they have not lowered their dividend for 54 years. I feel pretty safe that they are not going to do that in the future, so this is a good hold and earn dividend percentage on. The yield on this is 2.07% at the current rate that it is. And each and every month I'll take a look at 2 new ones, and that's just how I go. The second stock that I chose was ticker symbol XOM, and it has an analyst upside of 18.72%. All analysts are bullish on XOM at the moment. It provides a juicy 6.08% yield, and so that will definitely get me some juicy dividends going in the future. Now it's important, and I mentioned this earlier, that when you do decide to buy these stocks and you load up as part of this strategy, do not reinvest those dividends. When I get my dividend payments at the end of the month, I will load them into 2 new stocks that I so choose. I have a system based on age. gauge of how much you should put of your entire portfolio into dividend stocks. Now, this is just my opinion. I am not a financial advisor, but if you are 20 years and younger, a 20% of your total investment portfolio should be in dividend stocks, at least in my opinion. Take that for what it's worth. In your 30s, 30% should be in dividend stocks. In your 40s, 40% of your entire portfolio should be in dividend portfolio stocks. 50s at 50%, 60s, if you're in your 60s, 60% of your entire portfolio, and 70s and up. The highest percentage it gets is to 70%. Why? Because I like to play with at least 30%. Have some fun. You're not dead yet. If you like strategies like this and a lot of other fantastic strategies that we cover each and every day in our Patreon group, you should check it out. We have a link in the description down below. We have Discord benefits that are attached to certain levels, and we have professional traders that are in the standard and premium room that are there to help you to be successful in your trading. The basic membership is only $27 a month, and you will easily make that up with just one great trade. Anyway, I hope to see you there. I appreciate all of you who support this channel by subscribing, and then of course all of you who are Patreon members and support through Patreon. I wish you all the best on the stock market. Please be careful out there, and Raythoven out.